A tour of Cobra USA. Chrome parts made right here in the United States of America. Have you got them?
Here we are at the headquarters of Cobra Engineering, where we're going to go in and take a look to see how exhaust sissy bars and all of their awesome chrome things are made. Let's go take a look. Wow. Dude, check it out. Over here they're making heat shields, back there to the bending pipe. Every bit out here we processed by the end of the day and turned into your next exhaust pipe or sissy bar.
Every exhaust pipe starts out as raw material, raw tubing that's then taken into the shop, cut to specific lengths, and then taken to the bender. After bending, any final adjustments are made by hand.
So here you're seeing the exhaust pipe heat shield put in a jig, and now he's laser cutting the back half of the heat shield off. Wow, that's awesome.
Once the heat shield's been cut, it gets ground down so the edges are smooth, and then finished off. After the pipes and heat shields have been cut and bent, all of the necessary components are gathered together. You've got baffles, you've got collectors, you've got flanges. They're all gathered together and taken over to the welder so that the final assembly of the pipes can be made. The welders take the pipes, the heat shields, put them in jigs, weld the necessary components, and then the pipes are then sent to the polisher and chromer. Parts are sent out to the polisher and the chromer, which is usually a third party. Once the parts are back from polishing chrome, which can take a couple weeks, they're then inspected, assembled.
The packaging facility here at Cobra. Before the pipes go out, they're wrapped in plastic, then they're coupled, the heat shields with their pipes, laid on paper, and wrapped up so you're insured to get damage-free pipes to your front doorstep. Sissy bar brackets are being made right over here.
These flat pieces of steel up to 1 inch thick are what the sissy bars are made out of, and they're cut by this laser cutter machine. This is awesome.
Sissy bar bracket. Check it out. This thing came out of the machine, completely deburred, smooth, ready for polishing, right?
Now let's take a look at Cobra floorboards, some of the best floorboards on the market.
Here's the raw block of aluminum that makes a floorboard mount. It gets ground out, and then the finished product. So we just showed you the floorboard mounts. Check this out. This is a thick block of aluminum.
All the floorboards are made of a solid piece of aluminum, which is then cut down by a CNC machine and sent out for polish and chroming. Once back from chroming, they're mated up with the brackets, assembled, packaged, and on the way to you. Cobra also manufactures highway bars and are one of the leaders in the industry, and these bars are manufactured very similar to how the pipes are made. The raw stock is brought in, cut to length, bent, final cuts are made, then sent out to the polisher and chromer. Cobra's products are awesome, and they're made right here in the USA. Another intricate piece to make is the Cobra driving light bar. Take a look. After all the components are precisely cut, bent, and welded, they're sent out to the chromer and then back for packaging.
The light bar assembly. We've got just the bar themselves, coupled with the lights, farther down the table, they're assembled and ready for packaging. Check it out. We've got straps, we've got bikes. Inside this is the secret R&D room. And I've got the key. No pictures allowed, but the secrets may be told.
Now that we've seen how these magnificent parts are made, let's take a look at some of the creations that Cobra has made over the years. These bikes are absolutely breathtaking, and this one here is my absolute favorite. Thank you for joining me for this Cobra Tip of the Week on how chrome parts are made right here in the USA. Join me next week in Laughlin, Nevada, where we show you the benefits of warm weather riding gear.